10 minus 5, we will get 5. 5 into 2 is equal to 10. This answer is completely wrong because we does not follow the order of operation called PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, parentheses have higher priority, then exponential, then multiplication and division have the same priority, then addition and subtraction have same priority. Here you can see we have subtraction and multiplication. According to PEMDAS rule, multiplication have higher priority than subtraction. So we have to calculate the multiplication first. So 5 into 2, we will get 10. We already have 10 here. 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. So 0 is the right answer here.